Good Saturday morning, Joey Only here. Subscribe to the channel. We got Sunday snowstorms moving into British Columbia, which I said would happen. You can find all the details on this channel if you just subscribe. Okay, down in Cranbrook right now, Elk Valley, heavy rain expected down there. Rainfall 30 to 50 millimeters. Rising freezing levels combined with melting snow may increase river flows and possible localized flooding. That's Sunday night through Monday. This is for Boundary, West Kootenay, Arrow Lake, Sloclan Lake, Highway 3, Paulson Summit, Kootenay Pass, Elk Valley. This funnel system approaches Sunday night and then stalls over the area on Monday. It brings a prolonged period of rain that eases Monday night, freezing levels between 2,000 and 2,500 meters. So not a snow situation for you. And that's the same for, that's the same for, what do we got here? That's Boundary, Arrow Lakes, Boundary area. Of course, down by Vancouver. This is ongoing since yesterday. Rainfall, 20 to 50 more millimeters, maybe 80 near Western Inland. So lots has already fallen. It's been ridiculous there. Rainfall warnings, wind warning. What kind of wind is still going on? 70 kilometer to 90 kilometer gusts up until Sunday afternoon. That's Nanoose Bay, Campbell River, Sunshine Coast, all those kind of areas. 70 to 90 exposed coastal areas. The winds will ease as the system passes. Southeast winds 70 to 90. Redevelop tonight ahead of the second system, then ease Sunday afternoon. And West Vancouver Island, 20 to 50 millimeters, maybe 80 near Western Inland Vancouver. So you kind of got the idea. Haida Gwaii, 90 kilometer an hour winds, gusting to 110. That's pretty much hurricane strength, okay? So batten the hatches, Haida Gwaii. I'm sure you are used to that. It happens there. Trusty windy. Here we go. Looking at trusty windy, we see that for a lot of BC, Saturday, 3 p.m., snow in the north, bits of rain, maybe north of Prince George, up towards, what's the Mackenzie? Tonight, mostly clear in the interior, strong winds, gusting from the south, as you can see on the map. And things squeeze out overnight until Sunday at 4 a.m. Sunday, look at that big blast of moisture about to hit Haida Gwaii around 8 a.m. Ooh, taking one on the chin. Same with Vancouver Island. Taking it on the chin. Bam! There is some reds in there. That is some 20 millimeters in the course of 4 hours. Mix of rain and snow in some of the mountains. Oh, man, that's gross. That's Sunday, 12 p.m. And it's going to try to make its way inland. Been doing so consistently in the north, but that's because that's where that's low is kind of situated right off the Alaska Panhandle up there. And we get the real good blast coming in Sunday night. And I don't think many places in southern BC won't get a taste of it, although most of you won't get heavy amounts. Now it continues up, and we will be talking about work week weather very soon, maybe in a day or two. I guess work week doesn't start till Tuesday, so I'm not really necessarily needing to. But here's what we're going back and looking at once again, just to get an idea on the ECMWF. What does the GFS say? GFS has more rain localized and more snow localized in the coast mountains down there. Caribou and central interior mostly getting a pass. The NAM is all fucked up, so we have no idea. Icon, so we got kind of a gross idea. Stronger winds in the Icon, stronger winds. But we got kind of an idea of how this is going to push through. Mix of rain and snow tonight. Maybe slushy, shitty weather for Prince George, Canal, Williams Lake, all surrounding regions especially. Some of the mountain passes down south. Going to be gnarly. Avcan saying 2 weather systems impact BC through the Easter weekend. First brings moderate heavy snow in the coastal regions today. Moderate strong mountaintop winds, snow level 1,000 meters. Second system, subtropical moisture. Atmospheric river event will reach north and south coasts tonight, producing heavy to extreme precipitation along strong to extreme mountaintop winds on Sunday. Higher amounts over south coast, although freezing levels will be lifted to 1,500 meters over the south coast and are expected to remain near 1,000 meters due to intense precipitation rate. The remnants of the coastal systems will spread flurries to the interior ranges today and tonight with light snowfall remains. Southerly flow ahead of the system will gradually lift the freezing from 1,500 meters this morning to 2,000 by Sunday afternoon. Second system's forecast move across south coast Sunday evening. It will impact the interior ranges, gradually increase on Sunday with heavy snow and strong mountaintop winds beginning in the day. Current models indicate the system will stall over the southern interior ranges on Monday. Heavy snow, extreme mountaintop winds expected through Monday, south of the Caribous. Okay. You all hate that word, atmospheric river. You hate it because it's like, you think that's for science people and all, but this is the real thing. Here we have right from Hawaii all the way up, and then this low is going to help channel it in. So that's what we got going on, man. It's the big old tropical pineapple express. So subscribe to the channel. Please keep coming by. Wait a second. That's not what I want to say yet. And that's why on radar this morning we got kind of a mixed precipitation up towards Mackenzie, McLeod Lake, seeing some of that this morning. And maybe not quite making its way to Tumbler Ridge. You get on the other side of the mountains, you get the dry side. Powder King maybe seeing a little bit this morning. So we got a mix of a little bit of snow, a little bit of rain kind of going on in there. That's mostly the story in the Caribou right now. And this has been pretty typical the last 24 hours. Seen a lot of this. Light rain, light rain. Some people were kind of complaining that they weren't seeing it on the radar. And that's because your reflectivity that you're looking at on Environment Canada probably won't have some of these low-laying clouds that are hiding kind of in the valleys, right? The radar shooting over top of the, you get some of that stratiform cloud that's sort of sitting in the valley, more or less. The radar is going to be blocked by the valley walls, by the hilltops itself. So it's got to be able to look above, tilt up and look above that. Which is if you have a tall thunderstorm, the radar is going to pick that up real good. So what's the radar seeing here on reflectivity? It's, a lot of how tall the clouds are, especially, right? So we see down by Chase, Squilax, Sorrento, White Lake, again, out by Revelstoke. It's kind of what's been going on for you guys there. So enjoy. And we see down on the coast, it's already beginning. They're getting tons of rain down there this morning. Totally gross. Vancouver is getting poured on. It's like the worst place you'd ever want to be. And, Victoria's okay. So that's the story for today. Be ready for shitty weather all weekend. Okay, I'm Joey. Subscribe. Bye now.